Hey, what's up guys, it's NicoFish 1000 and I was taking apart this tree stump and check it out. We have, let's see, some beetle larvae. Say hi, bro. Yeah, he's not happy right now. So we have 3 and I don't know what beetle species they belong to. Hopefully, I'm not sure if you can even ID them at this point, but we have a bunch of Hercules beetles here in the summer. So hopefully I just acquired some of those. Look at these guys. It's pretty awesome. Oh, don't bite me. So, hold on. Let's put them so we can get a little bit more contrast. Crap. So that's pretty cool. We got 3 and I think I'm gonna keep them and see how they do. So see you guys.